Hey, how much does it cost to go on a 5-star marine boat tour?
Jay and I are going to tell you about that all in this video today.
Hey, Sean, how much does it cost to go on that? What?
Gosh.
How much are your prices?
So,
how much is a trip to PP? Hey, Sean, how much is... What about if one person's going? Hey, Sean, how much does it cost if I just want to go one way? Hey, Sean, does a pickup cost more money? Is lunch included? Hey, Sean, how much does this cost?
Hi guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Jay!
Hi, I'm Jay.
Jay, this whole video is all about 5-Star Marine prices because it's one of the most searched for terms.
Oh, there's a very loud clap.
That we get on. Yeah, no, sometimes I do talk too loud.
No, your clapping was loud.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But sometimes I listen to myself in the YouTube and I'm like, oh my gosh,
No,
that guy
it's
likes
good.
to shout.
You're good, you're pronunciating.
I'm energetic.
Sometimes.
So Jay, people
Yes.
wanted to ask about pricing, and so before we even get into that, you and I were having a coffee this morning.
Were we?
Well, you've been
At
bringing me coffee quite regularly.
I have. I've been going to the very expensive Amazon shop. Did you know, though, Sean, if you take your own cup to Amazon, it's cheaper than getting one of their cups.
Yes.
It's $5 cheaper. That's good, isn't it? That's
so
nice.
you were asking me how much the coffee would be, and I said 65 baht with not bringing your cup, 60 baht bringing your cup, and then next was how sweet you want it. So how much sweetener they're going to put in.
So do they charge extra in the coffee for sweets?
Yeah, 100% sweet's a little bit more expensive than a 25% sweet.
Stupid.
And then also like what kind of milk you want.
What do you mean, what kind of milk you want?
Almond milk or
Almond milk?
normal
There's no such thing as almond milk.
There is.
It's not milk.
What is it then?
What? Almonds don't have nipples. You don't see almonds doing this, do you? No, but seriously.
Kyle, can we find a video of someone milking an almond and cut that in?
I'm sure there's I'm sure there's an OnlyFans of milking almonds somewhere.
Anyway, so
Yes.
we were talking about that. We were talking about how confusing pricing is to even just buy a coffee.
I was saying, Sean, why is there no prices published on our website? Managed to get that out first time.
Yeah. But firstly, before we talk about that, you have a burger contest coming up.
What's that got to do with pricing?
Well, I want to know how much is a burger.
Where from?
Well, let's say from your number one winner.
What year?
This year.
This year. Hasn't happened this year.
Or next year. Last year.
The year before, okay, Holiday Inn one and Prime Burger one. So do you want the vegetable burger, which wasn't really, they used a horrible patty. What was that one? What was it called?
Don't say that!
No, but they used Beyond
They
Meat.
won!
No, but I know, but they shouldn't have won because they used a Beyond Burger, Beyond, what's it called? Beyond Meat thingy
Oh,
patty.
so no real meat.
Well, they didn't make it themselves. It's a bit cheating. Okay, what do you want on your burger? Do you want mayonnaise? Do you want ketchup?
hang
do you
on,
want
stop.
bacon? What?
You can't give me price without knowing this.
Would you answer the questions?
No, I want to know.
Do you want bacon on your burger?
Can you not just give me a price?
Do you want bacon on your burger?
I want a price.
Well, there's no, you can't just give you a price. I need to say, do you want bacon on your burger? Do you want bacon on your burger?
No bacon.
Why not? What's wrong with bacon?
I don't like bacon.
Shut up. Right. No, seriously. Stop. You don't like bacon?
I don't like bacon, no.
No. Are you serious? You don't like bacon?
I don't, we're doing a video. Don't have a pissy fit about it now.
I'm shocked. I don't care about pricing.
Next.
Boy, it doesn't matter.
So now you've just given up? You're not even going to give me a quote?
Well, you don't want bacon?
Well, seriously, it's a burger.
Okay. I cannot give you a quote unless you tell me how much, how many patties do you want?
I want a burger with 2 patties, some
How
cheese.
big patties? Do you want Wagyu beef?
Oh, gosh.
Wagyu beef.
You're making it so complex, Jay.
Or do you just want normal beef, which is just as good as Wagyu?
Let's stop. Not even.
And do you want chuck steak?
Let's stop. I'm done. Don't go to his burger.
And what bun do you want?
Don't go to your burger festival. Can't even
Yeah,
work out
Burger
the
Festival,
price.
23rd of March next year.
What about? Okay, easy,
Okay, go on.
Easy one for you.
Go on.
Glasses.
Sunglasses.
Yeah. How much did you buy them for?
These, well, okay. Your ones were probably more expensive than these ones.
You stole yours, right?
No, I didn't steal them.
You found them.
Well, no, they're genuinely fake.
Oh, I know a few of
Oakleys.
those people who say that they're genuinely fake 5-Star Marine online as well.
Yeah, there's a lot of them, and they do publish their prices online. So if you see a 5-star Marine published price, it's not us.
Yeah.
But why don't you publish your prices? That's what this whole thing is. It's got nothing to do with burgers and coffee and glasses.
Well, I think
why don't you publish prices?
you've got the answer
people
already.
want to know.
You've got the answer already.
Hey, Sean, how much is it? I want to go to PP. How much is it, please?
I can't tell you.
Why not?
I need to know how many
you
people
run a
you are.
boat company.
How many people you
Look,
are?
one of me.
How many people you are?
One of me.
Just one?
Yes.
Well, then I'll send you a proposal. But do you want a hotel pickup or not?
Well, no, I'm not going
You
to a
want lunch?
hotel. Yes, I want lunch. I want a burger. How much is a burger?
What about the national park?
What national park?
Oh, there's a national park fee. You want me to pay that, or
Why
you
am I
going to pay
paying
that?
a national park fee?
Well, it's you can't access the islands without paying it.
What?
See, it's confusing. Like, okay, so here, Jay. So far, I've asked you.
No, so far
What
you've
is
had a go at me
the
about
price of
glasses and
coffee?
burgers.
You
Yes.
can't give me that.
Yes.
And then the price of a burger, you can't give me that.
No, because you
Price
don't
of
like bacon.
sunglasses, let's make it really simple, even more simple.
Coffee was simple. It's 30 baht.
Bottle of water.
Where from? Which shop?
What do you mean?
Well, 7-Eleven sells it different from Villa Market. Villa Market sells it different from Tesco. Is it
What's
Tesco
different
Lotus?
about it? It's all water.
I know, but they put their prices up slightly differently because different companies, oh, it's better water because you got a better shopping experience.
So essentially what you're telling me is that we can't know pricing of anything until we know the detail
This
of what you
video
want.
is all about 5-star marine pricing. It's got nothing to do with water, coffee, my great burger festival, 23rd of March, that's right, or anything else, sunglasses, whatever.
Just so you know, if you would like pricing from 5-Star Marine, we would love to give it to you. The only way we can do
And the
that
pricing.
is to know a little bit about you, like where you'd like to go, how many people you would be, and what you would like included, because we do customized private tours. We're not the McDonald's, right? McDonald's, you can get a price, right? Because you just walk in and set menu and off you go, right?
Yes.
So there are group tours which are set menu. You go here, here, and here, and you get this, this, and this is the price.
Right.
We are not that. We're an off-menu company where we customize everything to you. So you walk into
What
our
menus for?
you walk into our burger shop, and instead of saying,
What?
here's your quarter pounder that you don't like the onions and the pickles, and you wanted actually bacon
Who
and
doesn't
cheese.
like? Yes, you got bacon and
Right,
cheese and
okay,
pickles.
so we do all of that for you because we
Then
create
what's the price?
custom proposals for you. If you'd like the price, drop a comment below, go to our website, fill in the form, because that gives us the details that we need to send you a proposal. I'm out, Jay, because you know what? I don't actually...
No, stop.
I actually...
Stop. You run the business, you finish off, because if you can't tell people what the price on, then I'm not interested.
The price varies, guys, depending on where you would like to go and how many people would be on board. Once we have that, we can send you a custom proposal. All you got to do is visit our website, fill in the form, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours.
He didn't even say like and subscribe. He left all that bit out, didn't he? That's because he's not professional, I believe. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Still don't know what the prices are.